Hello everybody. I'm Kent Culbertson with American AVK. I've got Anne Paine with me today, and Anne is our training manager, and we're going to talk a little bit about Anne's role here at AVK and how it affects our entire operation from top to bottom, and the improvements she's made at AVK since joining us. So welcome, Anne. It's good to have you here today.
Thank you.
How long have you been at American AVK?
I've been with AVK for almost 8 years now.
Okay. First and foremost, I wanted to thank you for your service to our country. And could you tell our people a little bit about what it was you did in the service and how that evolved into your role as a training manager?
Okay, yeah. Well, thank you. So I was in the Air Force for 6 years, and I started out in the Air Force as a hydraulics mechanic on the A1, on the A10, and the F-111. Both are fighter planes, and so pneumatics, right? Everybody knows what pneumatics is and what hydraulics are, and hydraulics is the combination of those two, which every fighter plane has.
Okay.
So when you go to tech school, you have to learn all the pneumatics, all the hydraulics on an airplane, and then being on the A10 and the F-111, you needed to learn both planes inside and out. So it was a long tech school. It was 14, 16 weeks. But one thing that the military does very well is that they take you from basically nothing and turn you into something in a short amount of time. So you become an expert in that time. They know exactly how to train you and how to bring you along to become an expert in a short amount of time. So with that, and going into after 6 years in the Air Force, I went in the Department of Corrections and worked there for 20 years. And same thing, they are paramilitary, and they take you from basically nothing and turn you into something in a short amount of time. But once you get in, you're immediately starting to train other people. And I realized I loved it. Yeah. I love seeing the aha moments that people get once they're trained on something. So that's kind of how I got into the training field.
So then she joined us, and the evolution has been pretty significant here at AVK since she joined. Some of the things, I've got some notes here. You created AVK's certified online courses, and there's how many of those?
Over 100 now.
Over 100. Customers can take them, distributors, anybody. We've got a lot of people. AVK's YouTube channel, which is extensive. She's very involved in AVK's newsletters, which are monthly at least, AVK's live chat, and a lot more. And is there one particular media platform out of all the things that you're doing that you like better than others, and which do you prefer for keeping everybody up to date?
You know, I think the favorite platform is whatever the customer needs and is using for me. Okay. I think it's important for us. One of the priorities that we have is ensuring that our customers get the material or the resources that they need. So YouTube is a great medium, great platform to get, everybody. You want to learn something at home, you jump on YouTube. So it's the same for our products. If somebody's has any questions on installation or maintenance, and you and the territory managers have so many tips and tricks on those products and installations that I think we've got a really great library of videos to assist the customers. The newsletters, I feel like, are more providing up-to-date information that is right here and now, and what we're doing out in the field, the shows we're attending, all of the training that you guys are doing out in the field. And I think the newsletters really broadcast that well. The live chat, when somebody's on AVK support, they're able to hit the chat and get a response right away. So I think all mediums work well, and it's something that we put a lot of resource and a lot of thought into in getting the information out to the customers where they need it.
Yeah. And it's been magnificent. You've done a great job with it. So we're excited to have her on the team. And every month you kind of come up with something new. So it's really exciting. She's going to be attending the AWWA ACE conference in Anaheim next month, and I'll be walking the factory floor with her. Is there anything about that you're looking forward to, or anything in particular that if a customer come up and talk to you, you'd want to visit about?
Oh, I'd love to meet the customers. So, like you said, it's the first one that I'm attending. I know it's the biggest one, so I'm excited to see everything. I'm excited to see how we engage with our customers at a show. We're rolling out an interactive module right now that customers will be able to come and see all of our products and get an overview of each of our products or videos. We've got the virtual tour on there.
Yeah.
So just another way of showcasing who and what we are.
Okay. And lastly, you come in here every day. You've got a lot of challenges. You're dealing with all the different departments. What motivates you on a daily basis to come in here and help all the teammates grow and help AVK grow as a company?
This is such a great question. I really have put a lot of thought into this. Yeah. When I first joined AVK, one of the first things that Al Draconis, our president, he had me travel to Denmark to meet the training arm that was just being put together in Denmark. And so I not only got to meet Pernilla, who is the daughter of the owner, and then I got to meet the owner. And I think to see the facilities back there and the investment that they're putting into the products and the quality and innovations is amazing. Yep. But knowing that this is a family-owned and operated company is really special.
Yep. And
I think getting back here to America and American AVK is really special because the leadership here is, Al Draconis, he just has the vision on every single aspect, but had such a great vision for training, and me being able to at least help that vision come alive a little bit has been really special. So what motivates me, not only do I have a great team that supports me and sees my vision and makes that happen, but I think it's just such a great company. They care about their employees, they care about the products, and ensuring that we are on the cutting edge of everything all the time, and rolling out those products to our customers.
So obviously very motivated, and thank you for your time today. And if anybody has any questions, if they had a suggestion for a newsletter topic or a YouTube topic, how would they reach you?
Well, email, call me, reach out to your territory manager and have them pass on the information, and we'll be glad to make it happen. So we're always open to suggestions and feedback.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Anne, and thanks everybody for watching.
All right. Thanks, Kent.